Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great and feeling positive today. First of all, Happy New Year to all of you. A new year brings new energy, new hopes, and a fresh start in life. The new year is not only about changing the calendar, it is about changing our thinking and improving our daily habits. It reminds us that no matter how our past was, we still have time to do better. Before we go deeper, take a moment and think about your own life. Think about where you were 1 year ago and where you are today. Think about what changed, what stayed the same, and what you still want to improve. This self thinking is very important because growth starts when we become honest with ourselves. Sometimes we move forward without reflecting, but the new year gives us a chance to slow down and think. Reflection helps us understand ourselves better and choose a better path. Let us also think about the last year. For many people, it was full of challenges. Some faced failure, some felt confused, some worked hard but did not get the results they wanted. But every experience taught us something important. Hard times make us strong, mistakes help us learn, failures prepare us for success. Instead of feeling sad about the past, we should use it as a lesson and move forward with confidence. Sometimes we ask ourselves, why did this happen to me? But instead of asking why, we should ask, what did this teach me? Every experience, whether good or bad, prepares us for something bigger. Life does not waste our pain, it uses it to make us wiser. If last year was difficult for you, remember this: difficult times do not last forever, but strong people do. Strength is built in silence, patience, and effort. The new year feels like a fresh page in a new book. The page is blank and the pen is in our hands. What we write depends on our actions. We cannot go back and fix yesterday, but we can create a better tomorrow. A fresh start does not mean everything will be perfect. Some days you will feel motivated and some days you will feel tired. Both days are part of the journey. What matters is that you do not stop, even if you feel lost sometimes. It is okay. Feeling lost often means you are about to find a new path. Setting goals is important, but goals should be simple. You do not need to pressure yourself with very big plans. Start small, improve little by little. Even small efforts done daily can change your life. Try to learn something new. Try to improve one habit. Try to use your time better than before. Progress may feel slow, but slow progress is still progress. Many people quit because they expect fast results, but real success takes time. Just like a tree grows slowly before giving fruit, your hard work also needs patience. Do not rush the process. Trust it. Ask yourself this simple question every day: did I use my time well today? Even if the answer is no, do not feel guilty. Just try again the next day. Improvement is about trying again, not about being perfect. Hard work is important in life, but smart work is also important. Working all day without direction can make us tired, but working with a plan saves time and energy. This year, focus on what is useful for your future. Avoid wasting time on things that brings no value to your life. Time is very precious. Once it is gone, it is never returns. Respect your time and your time will reward you. Many people feel motivated at the start of the new year, but after some weeks they lose focus. Real success comes from consistency. Even on days when you feel tired, do not stop completely. Do a little, but do something. There will be days when you feel unmotivated. On those days, discipline will help you move forward. Do not wait to feel ready. Start first and motivation will follow. Doing something is always better than doing nothing. Your thoughts have power. If you keep telling yourself negative things, life becomes heavy. If you believe in yourself, even difficult things become possible. This year, trust yourself more. Sometimes the biggest battle we fight is inside our own mind. Doubt, fear, and overthinking can stop us more than any external problems. Be kind to yourself, encourage yourself the way you encourage others. Speak good words to yourself because your mind listens. Stop saying I can't, start saying I will try. Believe in your abilities. You are stronger than you think. Health is one of the greatest blessings. Without good health, nothing feels enjoyable. This year, take better care of your body and your mind. Eat better when you can, drink enough water, move your body, and rest properly. Remember, taking care of yourself is not selfish, it is necessary. You cannot give your best to the world if you are always tired and stressed. Rest when needed, slow down when needed, and start again with fresh energy. Balance is the key to a healthy life. Mental peace is also very important. Do not overthink. Do not compare your life with others. Focus on your own journey. Family and relationships matter a lot. Respect your parents. They want the best for you. Listen to your teachers. They guide you toward the right path. Support your friends and be kind to people around you. Sometimes we get so busy chasing success that we forget the people who support us silently. A simple thank you, a kind word, or spending time together can strengthen relationships. At the end of the day, people remember how you made them feel. Be thankful for what you already have. Gratitude brings peace to the heart. When we are thankful, life feels lighter and happier. Even small blessings deserve appreciation. Failure is not the end. Failure is part of the journey. Every successful person failed many times before winning. The important thing is to stand up again and keep moving forward. Failure does not mean you are weak. It means you are tried, and trying is brave. Every attempt makes you better, even if the result is not what you expected. Never let one bad chapter make you believe your whole story is bad. This year, promise yourself that you will not quit easily, even if you fall. Get up and try again. Never give up on your dreams. Try to be a better human being. Be honest, be helpful, spread positivity. Small good actions can make a big difference. Being successful is good, but being kind is even better. Success without kindness feels empty. Let your success inspire others, not hurt them. The world needs more understanding, patience, and kindness. Change is a part of life. Do not fear change. Accept it and grow with it. Every new year brings new opportunities. Sometimes life takes us to places we did not plan. Do not panic. Trust the journey. Some of the best thing happens unexpectedly. Keep faith in yourself and keep moving forward. Never stop dreaming. Dreams gives direction to life. Dream big, but remember that dreams need action. Take one small step every day. One day these small steps will turn into big success. To all students watching this video, this year is very important for you. Focus on learning, not just marks. Build good habits. Use your time wisely. Education can change your future. As this new year begins, Leave behind fear, excuses, and negativity. Walk into this year with hope, confidence, and hard work. As this year moves forward, remember that every day is a new opportunity. Not just January 1st. You can restart anytime. You can improve anytime. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Start where you are. Your future is built by the choices you make today. May this new year bring you happiness, good health, peace, and success. May your efforts be rewarded and your dreams slowly come true. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video useful, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay focused, stay smart. See you in the next video. Happy New Year to all of you. Thank you.